My name is Agodde. I am Miss Earth South Sudan. South Sudan is the youngest nation in the world, gained her independence on the 9th of July 2011. South Sudan is blessed with most rich virgin cultures and tallest people in the world. The longest river in Africa and the second longest in the world, the River Nile, runs through South Sudan. South Sudan is the largest exporter of gum arabic. South Sudan is blessed with a number of bird species, animal species, and different kind of wildlife. I am an activist for girl child education and afforestation in South Sudan. I am an internationalist and believe in globalization. I am a sociable person and I love reading. My environmental advocacy and message to the world is to rethink and discourage on the activities we carry out on daily that affect the environment and increase on the global warming. The government of South Sudan has developed a national framework that is the National Environmental Policy and the National Environmental Protection Bill. The government of South Sudan, through the Ministry of Agriculture and Forestry, is a member of the UN RED, and their initiative is to address climate change. It will be such an honor to be the next Miss Earth. It shall better enable me to continue with my environmental advocacy and climate change. It shall also help me to continue my projects on the girl child education. I am young, determined, intelligent, and hardworking person with the capacity of fundraising for my projects. My name is Agodde, Miss Earth South Sudan, and I am Woman of the Earth.